Right, this was a try 3 with no grazer in it. On the side mirror, on the side glass, should be nice and smooth, especially if you put some water on it, and it falls down after. Alright, since AliExpress want proof that this product doesn't work, here's a nice smooth shower cabinet, plastic all around. And Wemo, you can see I'll put it there, and it'll probably give away eventually. That's just like I said. And you want me to stick a razor in it so it smashes to the ground. I hate this phone. So easy to touch the screen and it starts recording, so I'm going to have to pin all these together. So another try. Again, if I wiggle it, falls off. Now, probably could make it wet. Now it's wet, probably stay up a bit longer. Nope, straight away falls down. Straight away falls down, and it's a wet sucker. That should be the best thing. So really you want a full refund on that and throw those in the garbage. I'm sick of picking them up.